Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more innovative videos on machine learning using Python. As we have gone through few videos on hand tracking using Python in machine learning, such as hand detection, hand tracking, finger count and hand tracking. Today's video is really creative and interesting. It is about controlling the mouse pointer with hand gesture. In the sense, it is done using OpenCV to detect and track hand movements and translate those movements into mouse action. The libraries which are used are MediaPipe. We have seen one video of MediaPipe landmark and face alignment, and PyAuto GUI. This is speech recognition library. Now I will go through the program. This is all about mouse movement tracking using hand. Now I will execute the program, see what happens. Yes. Now what I will do? Yes, you can change their coordinates are changing. You can see the coordinates are changing. Yes, coordinates are changing. Coordinates are changing. So mouse movement is tracked by the hands. You can see that. Yes. You can see also the mouse here. You can see also the mouse. Yes. Yes. You can see here. Yes, you can see here. So I successfully done with hand tracking, mouse movement tracking using hand. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on machine learning using Python, with different data models, CNN model, ResNet 50 for image recognition model, then MTCNN, then VGG phase 2, then FaceNet, then speech recognition, if possible more videos on speech recognition. For latest update about machine learning, please watch my YouTube channel, Sanjay Mahajan YouTube channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.